Welcome to Connected. We are bringing together the T1D community across Canada and creating Canada's first T1D registry. You can create an account as an individual living with T1D or researching T1D, match to different studies based on eligibility, contribute data for the registry, and remain up to date on research within the T1D community. Connected was created in collaboration with our partners and representatives from the T1D community. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how a person living with T1D can utilize the platform. Let's begin. When creating an account, you are able to select your language of choosing, in this case either English or French. You are also able to select your role for participating. When entering your email address and creating a password, the platform will notify you as you type whether the input is valid. You are then brought to the Consent and Privacy Policy page. The full policy is available to be viewed or printed if you would like. The policy was also developed in plain language in partnership with people living with diabetes. After consenting and accepting, you are brought to the Terms and Conditions page. Again, the full document is available to read and print. Once the terms and conditions are accepted, you will be asked to verify your account. Connected will send you an email to verify your email address. Now, let's sign in and see how you can use the platform. You also have the option to remember your credentials for the next time. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the registration questionnaire. The registration questionnaire will help us get to know you better and match you to studies that you may be eligible for right off the bat. The information you provide goes into our registry and will help us better understand the needs of those who live with T1D in Canada. We worked closely with people living with T1D and researching T1D to understand what pieces of information are needed to recruit participants into a study. When answering these questions, you can select an answer, select multiple answers, type a response, or select an answer from the drop-down menu. If you do not complete the questionnaire, you can continue to the other pages. However, if you want to express interest in particular studies, you'll be prompted to complete the questionnaire again. Once you've completed the questions, the algorithm will start to calculate your eligibility status. Welcome to your home page. On My Studies, you will find studies that you've marked as ones you are interested in. Currently, it's empty, but we will get to filling in this page very soon. On Findings, you can read about the important results of clinical trials that have already been completed. The summary of results have been uploaded in lay terms to make the platform easier to understand. Simply click on a study card to read more about it. On Explore, you can see which studies are actively recruiting. The Connecting Matching algorithm will show you which studies you might be eligible for or which ones require more information. You can filter the studies by date and alphabetical order. The symbols located on the bottom right of each study card indicate your eligibility status. A check mark means you are eligible. A question mark means you may be eligible, but we require more information, and an X means you are not eligible to participate. When you click into a study, you'll be able to see key pieces of information such as the time commitment it might require from you, the location of the study, the compensation information, and who the research team behind the study is. Since you are eligible for this study, simply click on the I'm Interested button and the study team will be notified. When you return to the home page, you will see that this study card now appears in My Studies. Now, let's say you wanted to find out more about a study that's marked by a question mark. The information is displayed as before, but you'll notice that you are prompted to complete an additional eligibility questionnaire. Some studies require additional information before you can indicate your interest. Once you have answered the outstanding questions, the algorithm will calculate your eligibility and display your status. In this case, you are now eligible to participate in this study. Again, when you return to My Studies, this study is now marked as interested. To manage additional aspects of your Connected experience, you can head to Settings. Here, you can change your basic account information, find out more about Connected, control the data that you have shared, and find helpful resources and a frequently asked questions page. We hope that this demonstration has been both helpful and insightful. We're very excited to start on this journey together and hope that Connected can make T1D research more accessible to you.